Hey, so I realized while editing that I didn't put an intro to this video. So what you're about to see is my first video on my channel, and it is me and my friend Julia going to a really cool little dog therapy place with a bunch of puppies and just playing with the puppies. So I hope you enjoy. I guess like and subscribe if you want to, and leave a comment for what you want to see next. I already have a mukbang that we filmed, so enjoy the video.
Hi.
Oh, thank you so much. That's the start of my video. Hi. Yan. Oh, that wasn't the time. I guess Papa missed me.
Oh. Whoa.
Hello.
Hello, fellas.
If you wanted our attention, you could just said that. No.
No.
Hi, Alex. Oh, I missed you.
Shortbread. What are you barking at?
Oh.
Yay.
That's the start of my vlog. Hi. You're like sinking into my lap, little baby.
Oh.
Thank you. For not eating my hair, that was really nice.
Cooper.
Is that good for you?
Stop.
Hi. Here.
Hi. Hi.
I don't know where to sit. I guess I'll sit like here. My child. Hey guys.
Guys.
Here. Lexi. Lexi looked at me and said, "No, thank you. No, thank you." But when she puts her paw on your paw.
On your paw?
Pretty baby. Hi. Oh, hello. Lexi. I got everyone.
Wait, you have to do that again. Oh my god. You're modeling. Oh my god, look at.
Oh, she a model.
Oh.
Oh, and Mama's back.
Hi. Yeah, you too.
Wait, look. Oh, it's a boy. He's a model.
Oh,
Sorry for
wow.
misgendering you.
beautiful.
Where we belong, right? Who invited you? I'm having bomba time. Oh, bomba time's done.
Oh my gosh. So small. You are tiny. You are so small and tiny.
Bomba, come protect me. Bomba said, no, I'm good.
Woo.
No, stop eating me. No. No.
Look, the tiny. You're so small.
Stop it. Stop it.
If you stand your ground, they're more likely to get on your lap. So if you don't like them biting you,
Oh, this one bites me no matter when. This one's decided that I'm tasty.
Look at.
Oh my god.
I know the little pocket is a little chair.
He always comes back just to check in. Lexi! Where's little Lexi? Lexi, come here!
See.
She started to come towards me and then decided again. Stop trying to eat me. Now you want to play nice?
Look at that little one.
Whoa! Hey, careful!
Oh my god, you're little. You're tiny. You
so
have to be
much going
careful. There's so much.
So she's really young. Oh,
Go attack!
our oldest one today is shortbread and grease. She's about a little over 8 each. Everyone else.
Don't ever talk to me or my son again. Good, Baba.
Bye. Well, oh my god, Evie. Oh my god.
Like specifically my kneecap.
Yeah.
Be protected. Hey, don't you bite me.
Sky.
Sit. Can you sit? That's not sitting. Can you sit? Hi. Here, you're not happy about it. Oh,
Oh, Bamba. That's
so
not how you
rude.
play tug of war.
Hi, son. Oh my god! Son, don't attack dad.
Dad?
Dad. There's a dog hair in my eye. I think it's Bumba's. Bumba, did your hair get in my eye? Bumba knows now.
Yeah. Oh.
Just kidding. Bumba doesn't know. Bumba just loves me. Growls. Bumba loves me. Grrr.
Uh-huh.
Oh my daughter, sorry. Where are you going? There's nothing under there. Bumba.
Yeah, you got it, Sky. Run, Sky.
She's like, why?
Oh.
I got it. You smell really good. Whoa. Bumba's like,
Yeah.
and she's like,
I'm a princess. Oh.
my princess.
Oh. Hey, we're trying to meme over here.
We're memeing right now. Whoa! You are too fancy for that. Do not let down your kingdom.
Evie! She's a celebrity at this point.
Her butt,
We'll never see her.
her butt is insane. She's like slim thick.
Yeah, Evie. Oh, Evie, look at that booty. Give me the booty.
I got rejected by a dog. That's the title of this vlog.
Wait, do it again.
High five!
Oh my god.
High five! Good.
Oh.